Super strong cord design. Are you tired of not having enough outlets? Look, it won't reach. And then I've had it with extension cords and all the knots and never having enough length. So I scoured the internet and I found this retractable cord reel by DEWENWILS. This has a 50-foot length. This retractable reel has a long 4.5-foot lead-in cord, so you don't have to put it directly by an outlet. It has automatic retracting. You can install it on a wall or ceiling mount. I'm hoping this will be super easy to install. We'll find out in a moment. I was impressed that the manufacturer included all the needed hardware to install it. Don't you love when manufacturers do that? The hardware provided is super sharp and strong screws to go into wood if you're going into solid wood. Now, if you're going into concrete, bricks, masonry, use these anchors here. Now, if you want to go into drywall, you do want to hit solid wood. So if you can't place the mounting bracket to a stud, go ahead and install a backer board or a nailer board, whatever you want to call it. This will firmly secure into the stud framing behind, and then your new mounting bracket for the cord reel will go to that. I'm sure you're going to be yanking on this thing pretty hard. You can install your cord reel on a wall or ceiling surface. In this case, the mounting plate is going in first, and then you'll see that the cord reel will slide right onto that. And I'm going to go ahead and install the set screw so it stops at the proper length. In this case, I've picked a solid wall, so we'll use the provided wood screws. You can also use those masonry anchors if you're going into brick or something solid like that. So we're going to go ahead and put the mounting plate, make sure it's level and plumb, and then with a Sharpie, I'm going to mark the locations for the 4 screws. Before you have all your screws set, you can go ahead and put a level on it to make sure you're happy with that placement. Pre-drilling would definitely make your life easier when you're using big wood screws like this. Now the next step for my cord reel is so easy, you won't believe it. Take the bracket and slide it over the mounting plate. Okay, I enjoy making home improvement videos, but sometimes they're not real. Let me tell you, this one is the real deal. We installed this literally just in minutes, and you can definitely do it yourself. Let's look at its features. Long 4.5-inch lead-in cord, no wiring required. Simply install it within 4 feet of an existing outlet. Okay, your new reel will swivel 180 degrees. Check that out. 50-foot length. Yep, that's 50 feet. Still rolling. Light on your outlet so you know when it's powered. 3 outlets, so maybe you'll never run out of plugs again. Pull it out to any length. Give it a little tug and it'll stop at the desired length. And then when you want to retract it, go ahead and give it some attention. Super strong cord design. Okay, I installed this in my workshop, but I can also see this in a garage, a pole barn, a basement, a hobby studio, so many uses. The product link is in the video description down below. I do make a small affiliate link commission if you choose to buy this. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below.